Naguklang ng lago hanggang diwa'y magdilim at patay maganto. Di pari magamoy chikot magpungay at doon sa kalye magpasuray-suray. Hey! posted bato, isang boteng nabasag sa paghalak ko, at ang tiyan ko'y pumutok na lobo. Sinuka ko pati ang aking pustiso. Sana kagabi nang ako'y masuka, napasama na rin ang iyong alaala. Ha! Di baling litisin yung nakatatanaw, bigat ng dalahi, di nila alam. Di baling litisin yung nakatatanaw, bigat ng dalahi, di nila alam. Hey! Di pa ako lasing, wag mo nang iuwi. Di pa ako lasing, wag mo nang iuwi. Hey! Di pa ako lasing, wag mo nang iuwi. Di pa ako lasing, wag mo nang iuwi. Hey! Sumagsa tungong nayon walang lungsod, silang sinanay lumakad ng tuwid. Sumagsa walang lungsod, tungong nayon, silang sinanay lumakad ng tuwid. Sumagsa walang lungsod, tungong nayon, silang sinanay lumakad ng tuwid. Sumagsa walang lungsod, tungong nayon, silang sinanay lumakad ng tuwid. pilapil at pananim ng gulong ng bakal at taguan na ang iyapag. Sinurog ang pilapil at pananim ng gulong ng bakal at taguan na ang iyapag. Sinurog ang pilapil at pananim ng gulong ng bakal at taguan na ang iyapag. Sinurog ang pilapil at pananim ng gulong ng bakal at taguan na ang bayan! Papayag, walang makakasalitunan. Di kami papayag, walang makakasalitunan. Hindi kami makakapayag. Wala na namang tula sa Inquirer Magazine. Wala na namang tula sa Inquirer Magazine. Walang tula sa ating balita. papayag, walang bakat na sa lipunan. makakapayag, walang makatasalikunan. Hindi kami makakapayag. Wala na namang tula sa Inquirer Magazine. Wala na namang tula sa Inquirer Magazine. Walang tula sa ating balita. Yeah.
Bandi. Ang sa kuya babasahon, you see tig workshop kang nakaaging sa Ringsing. Ang title ganun pagragas. Mga dahon kan sarong tanong, minatambo, minatalubo, na minasabay sa paghuyop kang duro sa amihan. Mantang nagahaluyang mga aldaw, mantang minasulnop ang bulan, sagkod sa pag-agi kang namumundong banggi. Kadtong binayaan kang init ang kinakban. Asin sagkod kadtong pagsilip kang mga bituon, hali sa kalangitan, nagaantabay sa puon kang buhay mo. Mala baga, tayaon ka lang sa iya, nananarig, nauugma, minaugma, minagayon, anngiri kan sa imong mga ngabit. Mantang pinaparus-parus ka kan lipot, alagad maabot ang panahon na daimo aram, iyo daimo aram. Ang sa diring puon, pananom, iyo ang mabutas kang kaugmahan. Mantang pinaparus-parus ka kan duros, pasiring sa daga, mapupungaw, mantang malilingaw. Dainan o arin pa magigirumduman. Ang paghali mo sa imong ginikanan, pasiring sa kinahangdan ng bagong buhay, katumpuon ng imaheng San Lorenzo. Salamat.
Tagalog ni Duwang Tala, Budget ang title ng first. Sinong pamilyar sa Lord Cinema sa Avenida?
Hindi ka naman sa Avenida, pero may parang Lord.
Ito yung pugad ng mga callboy sa Sinihan.
Avenida ba na?
Budget. Dalawang service sa Lord Cinema equals 200 pesos. 16 pesos na pamasahe kanina, 16 pesos pa uwi mamaya equals 32 pesos. 2 kilong bigas equals 64 pesos. All text 20 at 19 pesos para sa kunting sabon, kunting pabango, kunting shampoo, kunting toothpaste at 2 chiclet equals 29. Ang ulam, di problema kasi isang kindat lang to kay badong na bading sa kanyang karinderya. Sana lasing ang tiyong mamaya, maabutan kang panghulog sa alkansiya matapos lahiran ng laway sa gabing may pusog ang bulsang walang laman. Budget.
Ito, manalangin tayo. Mukhang may relasyon ito doon sa performance ni Jason kanina, yung militarization sa kanayunan. Manalangin tayo sa ngalan ng Espiritu ng Ama na nasa Anak. Manalangin tayong wala ng piket, walang unyon, walang rally, walang demonstrasyon, walang kontra sa deregulasyon, walang kontra sa pagtaas ng presyo, walang kontra sa mababang sahod, walang kontra sa mga squatter na sinusunog, walang kontra sa Estados Unidos, walang kontra sa kurakot, walang MILF, walang NPA, walang rebelde, walang kontra sa dukot, walang kontra sa torture, walang kontra sa pagdami ng desaparecidos. Manalangin tayong walang kontra sa mga bading. Yan ang ating panalangin habang binabagtas ang tinuwid na daan ni Pinoy. Sa ngalan ng Ama at ng Anak ng Espiritu na lamang ngayon. Aminin.
In between the coffee-tipped lips and cigarettes, my fleeting mortality plays rock'em sock'em robots with a tectonic stenography set against the space of an erosion. The days my trains have derailed, my thoughts could have jumped away out of an ocean. Now, did I love her? Or did I just see some semblance of an escape route that my heart's been searching for to negate this antique store of my rib cage? I'm sorry I thought of no better launch pad for me to collect into than depths of your arms. Baby, aren't we all just wrestling with this Icarus syndrome since these mornings have broken into a precipice, threatening heavier days? Are we all just collecting the feathers we lost in childhood to buy back the wings we left behind the moment we thought it was a good idea to run away from home? But hey, I think that all the bases we loaded and the pins we dropped along the way could not measure the distance it took to get here, and the coffee isn't so bad. And there's always someone to bum a smoke off of. It helps with the cold, sometimes. But I've learned it's a futile exercise, counting down the days, waiting for the next ice age to wash us new of the last nuclear winter and maybe make a clean break. But see, glaciers are just the echoes of snowflakes, and I'm tired of counting the winters they scratched on my face. Springtime will come early this year. Believe me. Or call me a liar. You called me something worse when I said I meant it. She said, your forearm is no place to write your memoirs, and we've all spoken scars trying to keep the pieces from falling apart. Now I see that there must be some policy in emergency rooms. Keeping record players in emergency rooms so nurses and gurneys will forgive us for forgetting our lines in this two-part harmony. Now clearly medicine can't buy what the soul is willing to save. I dedicate Moonlight to you, Sunrise. And I know the distance between you and me and these days we feed is centrifugal, but I still want to hold you, Gravity, if you let me. Because I'm left to believe that our credits won't roll till the next reincarnation where I wait for another awkward chance to tell you I wrote you a love poem and a suicide note. And I threw it off a ledge and learned to forgive the sun for dawning on the same damn day. I can't even forgive myself for reliving the same old goodbyes. Those echoes in your eyes, the backwards road signs, come back as we are to the first hello. 2 syllables I mistook for a halfway home before everything I ever thought was real and everything I lost along the way. Thank you.
I am in the house of St. Jude, all to make Mother happy. She's proud of her children, like showing us off. Father laughs as I clown for the camera. I say, quick, evidence that I was actually inside a church. 11 years now that I am an atheist, it is accepted even by Mother. Mother passes through the aisle like a proud graduate. I smile. Yes, the shit we do to make our mothers happy. And Father, marveling at his youngest daughter's strength, last night, she's so strong, he said. What really would have happened if you all turned out to be sons? I laugh. Mayhem, Dad. God save you and Mom. Father Biray, the priest of St. Jude, says this Sunday, to suffer and be glorified. Is that the value then of yesterday? Yesterday, dinilubyo ang graduation ng Ateneo de Naga University. Is that the value then of yesterday? The senior citizens, these parents, robbed of that sigh of joy upon seeing their children graduate and say, we're done. We have not failed. And the children there, robbed of the significance of their mother as a model for them, suffer and be glorified. Their mother shivering in the rain and from the wind. St. Jude's mouth says, fear not cancer. Now on a Sunday we speak of death, that fear because we live longer, wanting forever, even the atheists. For immortality, we write, to be remembered. The monuments, planted trees, have children. Grandfather who's had 3 wives, not all the same at the same time, just after each wife died. A dozen from the first, 9 from the second, and so on and so on. Father says books are nothing compared to the everlasting life of faith, because books can burn and can be burned. Father, what people read from books, the ideas are in the person's mind now, and I suppose these can be lobotomized by sermons like yours. And we wonder why people don't read anymore? I look around. Are we in a cave? On to another reiterated, suffer and be glorified, death.
Lawog. Ang lawog nin kagurangnan, pinurubaran kong ikurit. Iba ang sakuyang nahaman, maski anong pirit. Itom na buhok, mga matang turuhok, baralud na ngabil. Ang lawog nin kagurangnan, pinurubaran kong ikurit. Iba ang sakuyang nahaman, maski anong pirit. Dungo, pero kiray talinga, nakaduko, nagkukurahaw na day ko tapuso ng obra. Lawog. Tabi apo, ang totoo na hiling ko sinda. Tabi apo, kinugon sa nakaya kan sa kuyang ama nalikayan sinda. So, pangatlo, si Ud. Pagkamuot, si Udigiraray ako, siring kay tungbangging burat an mga ayaw. Salamat.
Di man ako nagsusurat sa Filipino o Tagalog. So, may works na akong i-translate ko na dang. Lahat pare-pareho. Dito sa aming probinsya, bawat isa, turista. Ang mga taga-naga na nagpapalamig bawat hapon sa SM, ang mga empleyadong gumigimik sa magsaysay gabi-gabi. Yung mga boyadores na nakahawak sa andas nina, yung mga libotong nagsisilakan papuntang Calabanga. Ang mga parokyano sa White Petals, You're In, King Carlo, ang mga biyaherong dumadaan sa Maharlika Highway, pati mga driver nito na nagpapansit ba to sa PD. Ang mga magbabarkadang trip ang manilip sa CWC, ang mga taga-Rinconadang gusto ring mag-swimming sa Carmoan, yung mga manonood ng artistang kasali sa Ironman, lahat panay puro pare-pareho silang wala ng buhok. Bago kita bumatang, siyertohan mo sa nang tutol kang nakakaon. Takin nga no di ka magalopsiton, di mo na nanggad ako pagkisngon. Agong, abo na akong dayok-dokon, kito mga pangartulugan mong iton.
I think I could be a poet because I like to wear a lot of black. And I can think of incongruous images, like a Marxist with a trust fund, a Porsche pulling a U-Haul, a lobster man in Birkenstocks, sipping a cappuccino with his pinky pointing towards the sky. I've studied the poets who sing song out their lines for no other reason than that's how it's done. In love with the sound of their own voices. Ending every line going up, every single line going up, as they read and read and read. See, declarative sentences that in prose would go down, and poetry seemed to go up, as if it adds some kind of hidden meaning. I know what I'm talking about, and you should too. And I'm not afraid to get pissed off. I'm not afraid to use that one requisite swear word that lets you know I am fucking serious, man. And I am not afraid to shout! Yeah. With anger.
and intensity and long dramatic pauses fraught with angst, and still you can hear the lines going up and the vocabulary words thrown in to remind you I am a writer, eat my verbal dust, and at the end, spoken softly, hauntingly tender though not devoid of irony, and ending abruptly as if there is more.
bawat paghalik, Diablo'y palaka ng palaka, kumuha tayong sugatan. Iniwan ang lahat ng tunay na pagmamahal, lahat na ang pangarap ibinigay. Dumaan, kuwang sa ulo madilim ng pananalig, ngunit may umagang malatag ng isa, tapos mahiging sa iyong magdamag ng iyong mga hugot na pananalig, ang unang bubungat sa pinto ng pagdama, tanging binungkal na puno ang iyong paalam. Di ka ito ang pag-ibig na ito, ang pag-ibig na ito. Ito ang gawat na ito, ang gawat. He died seeking the cross. To say he never stole the cross, but he turned the cross. Heard the cry of Henry Ghetto children. Heard the warning from Malcolm. Heard the doctors bid new routes to new prison. He died seeking the cross, seeking a cross. He was so ended. He never lived. Up down, hit down, cross down. His body was found all over town. Taking the course, $25 for Gator shoes. Taking the course to send white ladies for black children. Taking the course to be found on the road for chicks. And singing doo-wops in the park after some chiba chiba. Dong, do do dong, do do dong, do 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 do. He died. He died in the course of dying seeking him. In the course of dying seeking him. In the course of dying seeking him. He wanted color TV. He wanted silk on silk suit. He wanted the cross come down like a Philippine asshole to take the world serious. He wanted to one for one, but he never gave. He never gave his love to his people. He never gave his heart to his children. He never gave his heart to his children. He never gave his soul to his people. He never gave his soul to his people because he was busy seeking the Lord. Busy perfecting his voice to harmonize the national anthem with little animals. Busy perfecting his child vocal that is gotten a good show. Busy perfecting his Viva la Policia speech. Up down, hit down, rock down. His body was found all over town in the door. Found in the barberies of an OG. Found in the barberies of the DGC. His legs were left in Vietnam. His arms were found in Sing Sing. His God was a Nixon step. His blood made the feet of the ghetto. His eyes were looking for Jesus to come down from some clouds and make everything okay. When Jesus died in Africa, his brains were blasted all around the graves of the Pentagon. His voice still yet in stars and his lives forever. Riddle! Let's pull it in the family ball. He died in the ball singing Acorn. He died yesterday. He's dying today. He's dead tomorrow. He died in the cross, but the cross was in front of him. But the cross was in his blood. The cross was in his skin. But he died. He died. He died deaf, dumb, and blind, but never found his cross that you see. He never knew that he was the cause. Hey! Do the funky monkey, baby. Sabihin, bahala tayo. ako'y sa'yo at ika'y akin lamang. Pag-ibig ako kahit kailan, kahit na umabot man ako'y nasa langit na. Kung di ka makita, nakikiusap kay Bathala, kaya'y hanapin at sabihin, ibalali sa'yo ang nakalimutang suman na ako'y sa'yo at ika'y reminds me of the things that you've been through. I can't believe it's true. But here by my side, it's you. I'm all alone without you. My days are dark with all down limbs through. Now that you came into my life, I feel complete. The flowers bloom, my morning shine, and I can see your love is like the sun that lights up my whole world. Now feel the warmth inside. Your love is like a river that flows down to my brain. Now feel the chill inside. Your love is like the sun that lights up my whole world. Now feel the warmth inside. Your love, would you give me your love tonight? Your love is like the
Practice pa lang to.
Ay, practice.
I-recall ko kaya ang lyrics saka ang yung ko na ng ginigitara. Uri ko ng ginitara kayong April 17 sa anniversary. Gunya na namang ginara. Di ko maintindihan naguguluhan ako sa'yo. Di ko lubos na maisip bakit sa'yo'y paliwala ang puso ko. Di mo man lang ba nalaman ang tunay na nararamdaman? Di na balewala ako sa'yo. Di mo man lang ba naisip ang tunay na hinanakit? Di na balewala ako sa'yo. Paano kung maniwala ang turing mo'y kaibigan lamang ko sa'yo? Alam mo bang mahal kita? Ikaw lang at walang iba sa buhay ko. Di mo man lang ba nalaman ang tunay na nararamdaman? Di na balewala ako sa'yo.
Ano, Peter Ongata. Ang kita.
Of course, he's not only a man, he's a shining golden god. Man, he's a shining golden god. May Filipino version ako na. Habang naglalakad si Mickey Mouse sa kanilang munting tahanan, nakita ko ang kanyang pusa. Mickey na nga siya, pusa pa. Paparating na naman si Pedri. Sinabi niya kay Mickey Mouse na, Mickey Mouse, ano ginagawa mo dito? Wala akong ginagawa. Ikaw, may gagawin tayo. Teka. Anong gagawin mo sa kwarto? Magbibihis ako at magsisimba tayo. Di ba araw ng linggo? At doon, tapos na lahat. Nagtatapos na lahat? Tama.